If you tell me that, call you police Erica. That's why I said I only have bare bomb about that. So, this kind of Erica can disgrace somebody. See, you are very mad whenever you are Erica.
Hey guys, my name is Toyin and I am your host for today's show, and this is my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, and we'll be talking about Big Brother NAIJA 2020, and with me I have my co-host
Chemba, Tijani, Bad Boy, Mifio.
Okay, today we'll be talking about all the things that have been happening in Big Brother NAIJA. So, what do you have to say about it?
The eviction. Well, it's quite sad that Katrina got evicted because, to be honest, she was one that really made me make the show to get my attention, you know, because of her really energetic, you know, attitude and all of that shit. So.
But she was really troublesome. Like she had lots of fights with people, and was that not bad energy on its own?
No. I think the house needed that trouble, you know, that to shake up things, you know, with her shaking her bomb all over the place. Oh my God, I really like that girl. Really, it was so sad to see her leave. I'm telling you.
And yeah, she was claiming boss lady. We actually felt she was not going to be leaving anytime soon. And you saw how the eviction happened, and she was part of the people that had least votes. What do you have to say about that?
You see, people hate strong competition, to tell you the truth. I think the people that voted her out, I mean members of the house that voted her out was people that felt she was a really strong competitor. You know, she was bringing her A game to the show, and she was being I think that's just it. They were kind of, they felt threatened, you know, by her in the house.
So are you saying she was a threat to some contestants in the house?
Yes, absolutely, she was. Especially to the girls, Nengi, Erica, Watoni, Tolani Badge. Yeah, especially Tolani Badge. She's a very big threat to that lady, and you know, it was just the right thing to do, let her go.
And what do you have to say about Lilo and Eric's situationship in the house?
Hey, you kill me here now. You see that? You see that Lilo girl? You know my boyfriend. Go to punish her first before we not come to punish her my own. So you not leave me, I went to the house to go get another boyfriend. So what will not happen? I went to the evict you. Not come back to me. Go to punish her. It's good that she left that house. She was not even in the house at all.
You watched the the interview with Ebuka when she was saying everything is fine with her boyfriend, and you think that is true?
She's deceiving herself and her ancestors. Not her boyfriend. I'm sure the guy is smart. Nothing is true there. Nothing at all.
And she actually said Eric used her in the house because he knew her weakness and still went along, still trying to A his games. That was meaning he used her in the house.
I don't understand those words. He used that for ritual or what? What are you saying?
No, you could see now she was not active in the games and everything. It was just like she was always on the bed sleeping. Always, she and Eric.
It's solely her fault because even the Eric was in the house. You know, he was in the house. It was just solely her fault. That's all. I'm telling you.
Okay, so now there are 2 persons out of the house. We have just 18 contestants left in the house, and we all know the people that have gone. That is Katrina and Lilo. Okay, now coming to this week, we want to just say some highlights that has happened in the house. And that is starting from Monday night when Ozo became the head of house. And then we all thought it was going to be Nengi that would be chosen as the deputy head of house, but you saw what happened. What do you have to say about it?
What is wrong with you? If you are the one, will you take Corolla over Venza?
No.
We use Corolla to go to places like, you know, all those rural areas. But we take Venza to the main show, to the main event. So you know what I mean by this now.
Wow. So what you're actually saying now is that you are in support of him choosing Dora over Nengi.
In as much as I like fair and beautiful ladies, I think Dorothy is a better deputy to Nengi. Nengi is all about her beauty and all of that, and she's not being very real. So I don't. She's not fit to be deputy head of house. Yeah.
Okay, coming down to Kidwire and Erica, you see the things happening, like Kidwire, Erica, and Laycon, the triangle. where Erica is saying she's mentally attracted to Laycon and physically attracted to Kidwaya. Like, this is something we can match to present day. What do you have to say about it?
First of all, Erica is mad. That Erica is not obsessed. What are you telling me? That you are going to punish that Erica? Anyway, she's going to punish her. She don't have sense. In fact, she evict her next. The only eviction they will do today, she evict her next because I just don't have sense. How can you like somebody for their I mean what they look like, and then you like the other person's smile? Are you okay?
You should know she's not going anywhere.
No.
Go on Twitter, like she's pulling crowd. She has lots of supporters, so she's not going anywhere. But the thing now is, Laycon should just air his games. Like, you should just let her be, because it is obvious something might not come up between them.
No. I don't agree with you on that. Air his game how? Linda, you just so I don't know if you noticed or anything, but Laycon was the only housemate that got verified first on Instagram.
But that's not it.
Not just that. Look at his musical career. It's blowing up already.
Yes, what I'm saying now is
the guy is very smart. Maybe he's not way handsome. Maybe like Kidwaya or something. But he has something. I mean you can if you identify with that kind of person, you have much to gain, honestly.
Yes, that's what we are saying the same thing. I'm only saying you should just let anything about relationship be in the house. Yeah. Obviously, we all know that relationship in that house is more of strategy than what it's supposed to be. You should just let it be and then get out of the house first. If love is going to happen, it will happen after the house, not in the house, because it would get him distracted. You can see he's distracted already. Well, he's going from one person to the other. Each housemate now, virtually everybody in the house knows about this situationship, the triangle. Even Biggie knows. So that's what I'm saying, that instead of him being distracted, he should just let it be and face his games.
I think he should borrow a leave from Efe. You know, I think when Efe won the Big Brother, I think he came solely for the money. Forgive me, solely for the money. I mean, that's what everybody is there for.
Actually,
the money. Right. So if you leave the house, you can get any girl you want. The one that looks like Nengi, you can get. The one that looks like Erica, you can get. You understand?
Yeah.
That man is a huge amount of money. I mean, to change my generation.
Yeah, you're right.
You understand? So is that what you should do? Leave that Erica alone. She does not have sense. That's how they saw the one holding her bare butt on live TV. She has been watching this program for long. You can't tell me that she don't know what's happening there. So these are just made me just lose my.
Some of these things are for strategy. They're like highlights, because most of these things, when they happen, it increases traffic on Twitter. You see it becoming trends. So we can just say some of these things are for trend. Not like they've not watched the show. They know about it. They know everything happening. So no disrespect. You can cause traffic with the kind of thing that Dorothy has. The kind of traffic that Dorothy caused. You know, but once she has all of that shit, not for holding my bare butt on live TV. She didn't know, it wasn't intentional.
No.
They were undercovers, so it wasn't something she knew about.
Undercovers? I think you should go check the Instagram and Twitter again. Everywhere.
That is when she's out. That's when she will get to know about it.
Yes.
She wouldn't know, like she did not know that happened.
One word, she lost my respect for her without shit is pulling in the house. I'm telling you.
So who are you rooting for?
I'm rooting for?
Yeah.
You know I'm a guy, first of all. I think as much as I like beautiful, fair ladies, Nengi, I will still go for Laycon. The guy is just, I mean, the guy is for the money, you know what I'm saying? And it's Laycon.
Well, I'll be rooting for Laycon too.
Then you give me a hug now. We're on the same time. But I still love my Nengi. If Nengi wins it anyway, I'm still okay.
Yeah, but Laycon for the money.
Oh God, I don't die. My God. See this Erica girl. They tell my guy Laycon, my star boy Laycon, say, I only like you mentally. I'm trying to wire physically. Oh no, see you, they're great. If you tell me that God will punish Erica, that's why I said I only have bare bubble on that show. This kind of Erica can get somebody. See, you are very mad whenever you are Erica. That's why I like my baby Nengi. What about that Nengi? If you are playing games, I like playing games now. You see? And I love you without your playing game. Let me tell you, Nengi. They not like Erica. Erica deceiving herself now. Any girl, go punish you, Erica. You go home, you go to your house, because you are very stupid. Before I used to like you, now you have formed around highest. Laycon, my guy, win 94 million. We know where we'll meet now. That's it. Go see what I'm Miami. Go say, let's go. But Erica, you will die. I'm very stupid. You are very, very mad. Anyway, back to this thing. I just like my baby Nengi. And actually, my favorite character, Nengi. It's surprising to you guys, but I like Nengi die, I beg. And I like the way they do with this lesson boy now also. Maybe say Binasinoa. You know, that guy don't say today now. That guy get my hair like me. I see the guy here. Okay. Stop me, man. Thank you, I beg. Try win this thing for us, you understand? Then my guy Laycon pick carry second. No, my guy. You understand? But if you come out the house, you could know how my intention towards you. Know how do the thing, you know. Just I want this video to go back so that you will see it too. So that you are the number one fan here. You understand? But try and win this thing and stop playing with guys' hearts. I love you. Mwah. Peace out.